there! Glad you could join me. I got hair on my throat. Today I'll be showing you how to make cheap and durable seed starting trays with easy to find items. Most plastic seed starting trays that you could buy at a hardware store will crack in about a year. The ones that we'll be making today will last several years and you can use over and over. Here are the items you will need to begin with. Spray foam, goggles for protection, rubber gloves, a rag, an apron, and some aluminum roasting pans you can get at the dollar store or a grocery store. Remember to shake the spray foam for at least 1 minute. Sorry. Have I shaken it long enough? That's like a workout. Okay. These gloves are a bit too big, but it'll do. You're going to need to put down a drop cloth underneath so it doesn't get everywhere and doesn't have like a super bad cleanup. So kids, if you're watching and you're going to do this, you need supervision because this is sticky and messy and it can get out of hand easily. So you're going to need to put this evenly across the bottom of the pan and it will expand, and you need no gaps in between. That's not what I expected. Your can will push out a little bit of foam afterwards, so make sure to put a rag underneath so it doesn't drip. Now that I've sprayed all over the bottom of the pan, I'm going to take another tray and press it slowly and gently down until you can't press anymore. Put a lot of pressure so that you can almost see it squishing out the sides, and if it does a lot, then make sure to wipe it with your rag. What am I doing? Okay. After you squish it all the way, you'll also need these clips to hold it together firmly and until they dry. Perfect. Now that I'm done this one, I'm going to set it off to the side and make 2 more just like it. Got him. I got on my hand. So there you have it, a DIY seed starting tray. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time for some more gardening videos. See ya.